everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do a Shopee tech haul. I have a lot, so keep on watching. What we have is a bundle deal of a smartwatch and an earphone. So first, let's talk about the smartwatch. With this smartwatch, you can track your steps, your heartbeat, and also it can track your sleeping habits if you have a good night's sleep, like how long is your deep sleep and all that. And I know you can change the straps. Like you have an option if you want to. Like you can buy an additional one. See, this is how it looks like. There, take a break, timer, stopwatch, the weather, and then what else? This one's for the heart rate, and a lot more. You can check with the features at the back. Also, it comes with a wireless charger. So like this. And of course, they have a cord. And then next is this wireless earphones. Look. It's Sabat X12. You can actually choose the design that you want. They have white, they have pink, they have green. You can just check on the link down below. Also, this comes with a free case. So of course, my dad chose black. So my dad bought this as a bundle for only 2,990 pesos. If you want to buy the earphones only, it's 1,990 pesos. And if you want to buy the watch only, it's 1,029 pesos. If you will buy the bundle already with the wireless charger, then you can save 29 pesos. And my dad has been using this for 3 to 4 months already, and he hasn't experienced any problems yet with this one. So yeah. Okay, next is a car phone holder. It's very stable. It's from Ugreen. It costs 434 pesos. It's really stable, and you know it will last long because Ugreen is my trusted brand in Shopee whenever I buy gadget accessories. Also, you can see the reviews of their products and they give reviews also. Next is a ring light. It's 14 inches long, so I'm gonna insert a video here comparing it to my height. I'm 5'5", and then you can adjust the light if you want the brighter white one or the warmer tone and all that. And the price of this one is 1,349 pesos. So yeah, it's really a good buy, especially when I vlog at night. But then I really prefer natural light, so I'm not using the ring light right now. Next is my 10-in-1 adapter. I really need this, especially that I need the SD card reader and also the USB, since the MacBook Pro that I have has only Type-C on the sides. So this one, the Type-C. I'm not gonna get into much of the detail here since I mentioned this on my MacBook Pro accessories. You can watch it on the link down below as well. Okay, so the price of this one is 2,417, but I only got it for 2,005 pesos because of the Shopee vouchers that I have, and of course, the free shipping. You know about free shipping because of my previous video. Next is a product from Ugreen also. It's a Type-C to USB adapter. I really like this whenever I transfer files from my phone to the laptop. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So this one, it's really cute, and it comes with this one. See, I told you guys, Ugreen is a trusted brand for gadget accessories. This is not sponsored by Ugreen, okay? The price of this one is 170 pesos, and again, it's really perfect. Let's say you have a MacBook Pro 2020 and it's Type-C at the side and you just want that USB adapter, then this is really a good buy and affordable too. Next is a 1TB hard drive. This one is from Transcend. By the way, the pouch is from Japan Home Center for only 88 pesos. So this is how the hard drive looks like. It's 1 TB. Of course, I checked a lot of reviews before buying this. I made sure to buy it in a legit Transcend store. And when they delivered this, it's properly packed. And they even have a warranty receipt for this one. So it's really a good buy. It's true that it's 1 TB. The price of this one is 2,500 pesos. It comes with a box and a warranty receipt also. Okay, next I have is a 128 SD card. I use my phone to video, and you know I need a lot of storage. So yeah, I got this 128 SD card. Again, I checked if the store is legit. The price of this one is 728 pesos, but I got it for only 628 pesos because of all the vouchers that I used. So it's really a good buy. buy, if ever you will buy an SD card in the mall, you know, the 128 GB, it costs, I think, around 1,400 pesos, more or less. I'm not sure because we inquired also. So if you want to see how I set it up, so this is the 10-in-1 adapter, right? So I'm gonna put the SD card here and then my hard drive here. So ganyan siya. And if ever I only want to use my hard drive, then I will only use this one. There you go. Next is this Boya mic for only 388 pesos. Actually, it's the one that I'm using right now. And it comes with a pouch like this, Boya. So it's really a good investment if ever you need a mic for vlogging or if ever your mic is broken on your laptop and all that. Next is a webcam cover. I'm actually selling this on my Shopee store, which is Miss Active PH. It comes in black and white. It's really thin, like this. If you will buy one piece only, it's 30 pesos. If you will buy 3 pieces, it's 25 pesos. And if you will buy 5 pieces or more, it is 20 pesos only. So it's a steal. So yeah, get na. Lastly is this blue light glasses. It's really nice, especially now that everyone's having their online classes or our parents are work from home. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And yeah, there's a glare. Anyways, I can't find the store where I bought this, but I'm gonna put an alternative link down below because I also bought a blue light glasses for my brother and my mom. Thank you so much to my 3,000 subscribers. Let's keep the Active Fam growing. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Happy New Year! Bye!